Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another quick video. So I'm here with the Samsung Galaxy A17 5G Android phone. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how you can add watermarks to your pictures. Okay, so first of all, you will need to turn on the watermark feature. So go ahead and follow the steps that I'm about to show. So simply open up the camera and then select the 4 pins here. And then select the little settings icon. Okay, so once you're in the camera settings, just look for the option here. So by default, it's switched off. So go ahead and select it, select watermark, and then go ahead and turn the feature on. Okay, so here we have a few different options. So you can select what info to show. So at the moment, the box is ticked. So model name is showing, as you can see, Galaxy A17 5G. However, you can choose to turn it off. As you can see, it's no longer showing. You can also edit it. So you could maybe, if you don't want the model number to show, you could maybe type your name or your company name. So I've typed Android Doctor and then hit save. As you can see now, it's no longer showing the model number. It's now showing my name, Android Doctor. And here you can also choose to add the date. So as you can see, the date is now showing. And you can also change the format of the date. And you can also add the time. So you can put a timestamp on there. And you can also change the format of the time. And then here we have the different style here. So you can change the font. There's not many to choose from. There's only the default one, Roboto and Noto Serif. Not sure if I'm pronouncing it right. But yeah, you can change the font. And you can also change the alignment. As you can see, so you can shift it to the left. You can have it there in the middle. Or you can have it to the right. And here you can shift it down or back up. And you can just shift it around and place it anywhere on the display. So yeah, that's it for the video. This was just my quick video showing you how to add watermarks to your pictures. In fact, let's go ahead and just test it out real quick. So let me just take a picture. So open up the camera. And let's just take a quick picture. And now let's go ahead and view it. And there is the watermark, Android Doctor, with the date and also the time. So yeah, that's it for the video. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up, share the video. It's your boy, the Android Doctor, and I will see you in the next one. I'm out. Deuces.